We have 4 new needle ones. Yeah, just got them yesterday from Atwoods. I'm not sure if they're Australorp or black sex lynx, but either way, they are going to be good egg layers. And they were banded. I took the bands off yesterday, but they are supposed to be pullets, so hopefully we will have some new egg layers in the spring or fall. And Remedy decided they needed a My Little Pony toy. She's going to be sad when she finds that it gets pooped on. But it looks like some of them are getting sleepy, so I'm going to let them be. Hi there, little ones. Look at them, they've gotten so big. Keep changing out the shavings and, of course, cleaning out trays. They're our newest additions. They're doing very well. Yes, you might hear a little whining. That's because that's Lucy, and she likes to come in here and see how they're doing. So, looks like I might have a combination of this one over there. Okay, now in the foreground. However you put it. I think it's a mix of Australorp and black sex lynx. Both very hardy layers and dual-purpose birds. I have tried to check to make sure that they are actually pullets, which means hens, so they can lay some eggs. I've had a problem in the past with Atwoods and Owasso, and I'm not trying to down, anything, but I came out with a couple of roosters sometimes, even though they were banded and said they were pullets. Now, I don't mind a straight run, because we've incubated before. Incubated from mini chicken. I've had 4, I'm trying to do the lighting just right. I've had at least 4 sets of incubations before the flooding in Skytote. Yeah, I'll get to that later. We ended up having 2 born during the flooding and 1 born when I made it back home. Or we made it back home. So we'll get to that later. I know how to sex them. If you would like some tips on how to do that, I don't mind. It mostly has to do with the feathers, and the wings, and the tail feathers, the feet. Later on, if you're not sure, and even, the waddle and whatnot. So, anyways, I'm very happy to see them doing very well. They're very excited. I'm trying to get a good angle on this. There we go. I feel like I have a mixture here. It just said I like to get quiet because I get curious. It said variety of pullets. So I definitely can start seeing that here as they are progressing. Oh yeah, just poop. Don't eat the poop. No. Sorry. Oh, if you're wondering what that snake looking thing is in the down there, what we do is we put a heat thermometer, because as they begin to feather, and we only have so much now to work with. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We only have so much to work with between where to put the heater, and honestly they're probably about at that point where we don't actually need that heater because they're feathering, but because we have the thermometer, it turns off and on, and that snake coil thing, that's what that is. I know they get excited, but I want to show you. This actually pinpoints the heat below. Okay. So that we know actually how hot it is. That way they don't get overheated, and it'll turn off because of this. That will turn off if it gets too hot. It helps a lot. We've done this in the past many times. We've had 90 plus chickens at our old house, at our old home. So I'm not a first time mama with this. These are my puppies. Oh, I know they do that. Anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and stop this segment, even though they're as cute as they are, and they do what they do, and they're feathering, and yeah. So that maybe I can show you guys the next of the plants that are growing. Thank you, and have a good night.